I've broken my router base, and it's the dust port that's snapped. So in this video we're going to be repairing this, and I'll share with you a few tips on how to repair hard plastic items around your home. So we can see the brake is quite a clean one. This has really only just happened actually, so I'm not really going to be too worried about cleaning up these edges. Quite grease and dirt free. Okay, so a little bit more about the glue. This plastic Weld is actually a substance called methylene chloride, and it essentially is a plastic solvent. It says here, plastic Weld dissolves a thin film on each surface to be joined, then evaporates very quickly, forming a welded joint, one as strong as the plastic that surrounds it. For best results, hold the pieces to be joined. Use a small brush to apply plastic Weld. Capillary action will spread it the length and breadth of the joint, forming a continuous solid weld. Do not use on styrofoam. So what I'm going to do is, to make this easier and to make sure that the joint is aligned correctly, is I'm going to use some masking tape on the top side, so that effectively I've got a tiny gap, and then I can use a cocktail stick to put small amounts of the Weld solvent in the gap, and then hopefully that will then join everything up. Okay, actually this is going to allow me to very gently rest this upside down, and it's going to hold the joint together quite nicely. Okay, so normally the cocktail stick method would work, but actually it's not really getting enough glue into the joint, so just allowing capillary action now to draw just a little bit more of the solvent into the joint. That's already begun to set, but it's going to take a while longer for this to completely cure and for the bond to be as strong as it can. And so we'll leave this and come back to it in a short while. Okay, so it's been about 2 hours now, and it's fully cured. I can remove the masking tape, and there we go. There is the fixed dust port, and I'm not going to stress this to the point of breaking. That's kind of what went wrong before, but I think this is actually a pretty decent repair. So I'm pretty pleased with this repair. I've no idea how long it's going to last. I suspect it will fail along that crack line again in the future, in which case then I'll probably end up seeking a replacement part. But for now, I think this put this space back into operation, and I can route away dust free. The product I use is EMA Model Supplies Plastic Weld. You can get this on Amazon, and I'll leave a link in the description below. You get quite a lot. There's 57 millilitres of this, and this is stuff that you use sparingly. So you're going to buy this once, and it's going to last a long time, and it fixes a variety of hard plastics, mostly styrene and ABS and acrylic. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this short repair video, and if you haven't subscribed, I invite you to do so, and please give it the thumbs up if you liked, and until next time I'll say cheerio.